Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky.
Hi!
Today is Tuesdays with Tricky, and you know what, I'm gonna put you on the spot. Where are your videos? Where are your Monday videos? It's been a month. Your child can now walk and go to school. You need to do your videos.
I mean, I just find out a month vacation after I've had a child is a good
There's no vacation for a content creator. All of this is content. Just saying. Just saying. The people miss you.
With my colicky baby.
You want to wear these to start our other show?
I just overlined them for
Okay, yes, alright, fine.
I mean, it's only Anushka will be so proud of me. Where has Anushka been?
I've seen her. She's been in and out, you know. She's been in and out, but I do see Anushka. She's there.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
she's
good.
there. She there.
Yeah, so what else is going on?
Not a thing, you know, girl. Not a thing. Well, you know, I have a couple of things going on for me personally, you know, and
Not a thing.
It's 1:30. Yeah, I'll tell you about those later.
What are you
Let's
talking
head on
about?
over to the Instagram.
Well, these mama jammers right here, let me tell you something. This is like #1 enjoyment of pregnancy. These mama jammers, look at them. Like
Your
they're
breasts?
so big. Like I didn't have anything before. I had 2 little mosquito bites, and look at me now, melons. Look at them.
Wow, it's true. Oh wow, your boobs are really nice.
They're fabulous.
Wow, Trey, take pictures and then you can go to your plastic surgeon and be like, okay, I want my boobs to look just like this. Hi Joe, hi Lady B Mixology, hi Brittany, hello everybody, Carnival Kicks is here. Woo! Unforgettable J, hi Kayla, thank you guys so much for joining us. Early crew check-in, thank you so much for being here.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. We were just talking about my boobs. How great they look.
They look really good.
I know. They're so fabulous.
Like, honestly, that's kind of the size I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna redo my boobs when you do yours.
Okay.
I just, you know.
I can't wait to put on my bikini and sit
Oh,
in my bikini top.
okay.
I know.
Okay.
Unfortunately, the lower half of my body has suffered some serious.
No, well, mine is turned right up. Yes, I have a special video coming for you guys on Friday. So, you know, is this your Kim K suit that Kim K sent for you?
Yes, it is. Kim
And we are
Kardashian.
not joking. Kim Kardashian. Tracy have one link there, say, man. Kim just sent her some clothes. I was like, hi. Hello, the celebrity's wife. Hello. But nope, nothing was mine.
Sometimes that's how it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know how I felt most of my life. Living in the shadows of someone else's dream.
You twit.
You don't know that song, right?
Yes, I do. Lord of mercy. Woo. Yes, so today, you know, she has on her Kim K, you know, she love her like a foreign celebrity then. Well, yeah. Turn up, turn over right for my girl Spicy, my grassy noir. Yes. And it's fitting me good and fitting me right.
And your belly flat.
Like a ball meal.
Flat.
Yes.
Like fried bammy.
No.
You don't puff it like a steam bammy.
Plyboard.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
So I was you know, going on like this a while ago. Have you guys seen the girl Julie Mango on TikTok?
She's so funny.
Hilarious! Oh my gosh, the bleach one gets me. Bleach one gets me.
Okay, that's enough. Just a two. And then it says Jamaican helper. Yeah, just look at the mango tree. The socks of my soak with the blue bomber. Yeah, where's she gone? She gone at work. Oh, Lord of mercy. She just drive out and the bleach just poured down in the washing machine.
I could not stop laughing. Accurate!
She's very accurate. And like,
It's like this new style that they have going out in LA where bleach is all over clothes. And I was like, oh, it's pretty much like they just hired a Jamaican helper in the designer room.
just bleach out everything.
Yeah.
No, man, Julie Mango is really funny. I enjoy following her. It's just like a... And you know what's funny? She doesn't live in Jamaica.
No, she doesn't.
She doesn't live in Jamaica, but she's giving you like a taste of home in a really funny way, and it's not offensive.
No.
I don't think it's offensive. I
The
think it's
other one
funny.
that I loved was the what was it? JC Boys football warm up. No, you guys have
Yo,
no
track
idea.
team always going like them hyping up. To the boy them cute and them just
Yeah.
high knees, heinies, and you're like, oh wow, okay.
Oh my gosh, talking about the young cute boys. So my little brother, he used to play water polo, right? This is such a creepy story. So anyway, so he used to play water polo, and it was a stadium, and so it was always a problem for mommy to go and pick him up in the evenings because his water polo finished at like, what was it, mom, 6 o'clock?
Yeah, on a Friday.
6 o'clock on a Friday, and mommy was always like, it's such an inconvenient time to do this. So I was always like, yo, I'll just go and do it because, you know, I leave work and go and pick up Timmy, no problem. Mommy was always like, wow, so thankful, Tracy, so helpful. Meanwhile,
Hey, Tracy love a young boy, you know. Tracy love a young boy.
I was at water polo, just
Checking out the guys. Or when we'd go to Wilma's to pick up, she'd be like, windows down, windows down. I'm like, they don't want to see you. It's like, well, I want to see them good, no tint. I want to see everything. You creep.
I know those water polo guys with broad shoulders.
Cheese and peas, and then they walk like this, and them shaped like an upside down triangle.
Oh, so
Woo.
hot, so hot, so hot.
Triangle and a rectangle.
Yeah, yeah. Scott is sexy too.
Okay. Yeah, Scott is sexy.
You been looking at it?
No.
Oh.
Cheese and peas, man. Lord.
Sorry.
So anyway, I wanted to tell you, Stevie make you cry last night? Oh dear. Wow.
Let me tell you. She ready for some titty? Stevie was
The titty master. Like,
monster.
hold on, you have to flip out and do those
I
things.
soon come. I have to flip the tits, get
and
it out.
put it
yeah.
on.
I soon come.
Adjust, attach, cover, and rejoin us, you know?
Alright, here
But
we go. Thank you.
Steve, today is your birthday. Slim Thing Shauna, happy birthday. Yes, my grassy noir. No, I was not looking at him. No, I was not looking at him.
And
Lord, yo, she's such a milk monster. Her eyes are, and you can hear it like it's her face.
No. She's a milk monster. No, so okay, so I will tell you what happened. So I'm a stickler for structure. Like I love a schedule. That's why
Okay, Joe.
no, it's true. That's why I did so well in school and especially at Ridley.
Well, I'm a stickler for schedule, and I did not do well in school.
Yeah, because when you went to school, you weren't a stickler for schedule. You learned that in your later years of life. In school, you didn't want a schedule, so you skipped all the classes.
Yeah, why I wasn't feeling like math at 11 a.m. Who does math at 11 a.m.?
It's rough. It's
Jeez.
rough. It's rough. So anyway, so you know this whole new life of being a mom and stuff like that.
Can anybody hear this? This is like a man at a rum bar.
Hold a sec. Okay, the titty is all for you. The titty is all for you.
Do you hear the
It's only your titty.
Where's the breast cover I got for you? This is just fine. The breast cover just has a strap.
I mean, you'd think that somebody else was sharing the titty with her.
Tiffany says you did good in school. Talk up, Tiffany, because she's going on like she's like, you know, the smart sister.
Smarter than you, for
Okay,
sure.
okay, settle down, settle down, settle down. Somebody was asking if breastfeeding hurts.
No.
Do you think it's like different for different people because they're not doing it properly? Because breastfeeding
No, I
didn't
think
hurt
it's
me
different
either.
for different people because everybody has a different body. Like it's just like how you will never have sexy, slim, long torso like Carrie Bailey's. Like, what does that mean that your torso doesn't work? No, it works. You just can't win bikini body competition.
A lie you a tell. Lie you a tell. Hi, Auntie Leah. See, watch that. Drinking, over drinking. Sip, girl, sip, not gulp. Cheese on peas.
So anyway, hold on a second. Hold
She's switching tits. So right now, I would just like to.
No, she's sorry.
She's saying, okay.
So anyway, so I'm like a person who loves a schedule, right? So I wanted to, Stevie is now 1 month and 9 pounds. So I decided that I wanted to put her on a sleeping schedule because it would make it so life so easy for me. So I got this book 12 by 12 and I wanted to put her on a sleeping schedule. Okay, fine, no problem. So I started it. A lot of those books that you read are for bottle-fed babies. And the reason I say that is because you can tell how much they're eating when you put it in a bottle. You can pour it up to 4 ounces. When Stevie's drinking out of my titty, I can't tell you that's 4 ounces worth of milk. All I can tell you is she and yam, right? So I did the whole 12 by 12 CPU schedule according to that, but the whole synopsis of the thing is that you're supposed to drink 24 ounces from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and because the baby will be so full, they'll sleep a whole night long from 7 p.m. till 7 a.m. So I tried it anyways. Read some of the comments.
It makes sense.
Yeah, it does make full sense, and I see how it can work. Read the book, I see exactly how it can work. Guess what? I think I was starving my child because I don't know how much she was drinking from the breast. So by the second day now, Stevie was crazy. Like, I can't even explain to you, crazy. It was like madman at a Juve festival type crazy. Like, just, and so I couldn't manage. Like, Scott had gone to play golf with one of his friends and I had to call Scott and I was bawling and I was like, Scott, you need to come home now. Like, I can't manage anymore. When Scott came home, I know when Scott came home, poor thing, he came home to 2 crying girls. I don't know. I think he was like, who do I console first? And I literally threw the child at Scott. I was like, here. I went into the bathroom. I was bawling because dealing with that is hard.
Somebody's saying maybe if you pump.
So I tried the pumping.
She tried the pumping.
But what happened?
What happened?
Sorry. Was that I tried to
carefully, Titi. The YouTube
sorry.
screen is wide up. So that nice round nipple in the shot.
Oh, I tried the pumping, but what happens is when you pump and freeze, when you freeze the milk, it tastes different. And I have a high lipase, which is the molecule in breast milk that breaks down fat. I have a high lipase, and my breast
How did you test that?
I drank it.
Oh dear Lord.
So I drank my fresh milk, which tastes nice and sweet, and then I drank the defrozen breast milk, which actually tasted soapy. So most babies don't mind it, but I think Stevie is a breast milk sommelier. So she does not like the unfrozen breast milk.
Oh my gosh, no man. Lord.
Yes, this was a lot going on for me.
I think I'd rather drink hand sanitizer
Than the soapy breast milk?
than any breast milk. What is going on with you, man? You're like, oh, shoot some into the mouth?
Yeah. So I mean, I just had a really... You see how this breast deflate now?
Oh boy.
Only one left. One good soldier. So anyways, so of course, it's been like so rough because I was starving my child, the soapy breast milk, the lack of sleep, like everything was happening for me. So like all yesterday morning, Scott left and went to work, and then he called me to check on me, and Jesus, I feel sorry for the poor man. We just let go on him. I'm so tired of this. It's been 11 months of torture because I was pregnant at 10. And then Stevie is here. And I was just like, I want my body back. I want my life back. Scott was like, okay, I'm coming home now.
Well, I was going to mix up some Lasco and give her, and I'll just take Stevie. I want a 3rd child. So if you want your life back, take it back and give me her.
No, I don't. I mean, you go through these moments though, which I think
it's very normal. Remember when you caught me crying in the closet? It just happens.
No, it does.
Here, have a drink. You're gonna drink a Lychee Sunrise Margarita. And guys, guess what? Lady B Mixology will be back next week. I'll take a little break off my diet because this sounds
just like how Stevie drinks breast milk.
Choke, no. Alright, drink again. Make noise, make noise. What's wrong with your child, man? That's how you grunty, you know. Tracy grunty bad. She grunty bad. Have you thought of formula because you could take steps at a time just to... So she doesn't need... She has a lot of breast milk. Tracy has a lot of breast milk, so she would need formula.
I would squirt you right now.
And I think that just a taste. And I think that Tracy respectfully wants to have a breastfed only baby, which is fine. Me did I fling that formula in a Remy mode so fast. But I appreciate your patience.
I want to try.
Yeah.
And Jodi, there's nothing wrong with anybody's what they choose for their. There's nothing There's nothing wrong with what anybody chooses or any route that you choose for your child. Jodi chose a formula route. first with Levi, I don't think she was making enough milk, and with Remy, I think it was just easy for her because she knew how to raise a child based off of formula, and that was Jodi's route. But like for me, I'd like to try something else. So Jodi and I really haven't done a lot of the same things.
Yeah.
And so, you know, on your...
I appreciate you trying to trick. Breastfeeding hard, you know. I was like, pack up, pack right up. And then for me, with the sleep training, it is a lot easier to sleep train a bottle-fed formula baby.
So
the formula will hold you. It's like oxtail and salad.
Yeah.
Both are delicious. Both are nutritious. But when you have the oxtail, you're going to sleep. When you have the salad, you're going to be, oh, let's go garden a little.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So
I really haven't had Jodi there as a somebody to lean on. I've had to go into my community again, and you know, some people have written me on the Instagram just giving me like actually tips or breastfeeding tips.
And
or
look
whatever.
at the difference. Somebody says, me nah breastfeed, period. Girl, I understand what you're saying. And somebody right underneath was saying, I actually love breastfeeding. Breast milk is not as heavy as formula, right? Somebody said, a true Jodi. Creep? Who creeping? So I creep. Yeah.
Oh no, Stevie's a little creepy. Oh my gosh, you know what is so creepy? Like in the nights when she's come to breastfeed, and so she's on my breast and she's just staring at me like this. And I'm like,
She's like, make sure that flow don't stop.
she's just like,
I love breastfeeding. 2 years I did it. That's great. I did both. Exactly. I did a little bit of both too. Hated breastfeeding. Never have the patience. Girl, you sound like me. So I'm glad that we're here in a safe space that everybody can, you know, feel like you can put your comments and you're not going to be judged for it, because guess what? We have ebony and ivory.
I wish you could do like ebony and caramel. I feel like I'm a little bit more than ivory.
True. Okay. We have chromas and Carmelita. So, you know, we have opposites, just like how I was like, yes, vaccine, give it to me. And Tracy was like, no, I'm not putting that stuff in my body. You know, and I think that's what makes this show so great, because we're here and respectively, we can have differences. And, you know, we can have people in the comments, oh, we have got some fighting and thing. You just know that, yo, some people different, and, you know, that's cool.
Yeah.
So anyway, yes. So, you know, summer is opening back up. I'm very excited. I'm not sure where I was going with that. But anyway, I got this really, really cool. I got this about 2 months ago, Mommy. Where did I ask you to fix Levi's own for him? Long time. So, PPSLCOJA. It works out to be PP's Logistics Company Limited. They have these really cool... I call it it's a Gartier. How you spell this, Mommy? What does this spell? Neck.
Oh, gator.
A neck gator. A neck gator. You got a neck alligator. I have on my makeup, so Levi's own Nana actually just sewed a little tighter on one side, and Levi was wearing it, so you put over your neck. Not over your neck. It does cover your neck. So if you have cold neck, this is for you. If you have
or you can even use it
shy neck
when you're going fishing, because when you go fishing, Scott wears his because it doesn't get the sun on the back of your neck.
If you have tender neck, cold neck, sensitive neck, ugly neck,
or you could wear it riding.
You need to protect your neck.
ATVs, because it doesn't get. And Scott wears it fishing because of the sun. And he's out there all day, so he just wants his eyes to show. So
and I think it's cool. You ever see a guy? I know one that just looks so terrible in a mask. Like, mask not suit him at all. Like, honestly, your husband in a mask, it's so weird.
I know.
Guys with, like, I love a guy with a mustache, but when you have the mustache and the mask, it just kind of weird. So we have a neck gaiter for all you guys out there who still want to look cool but want to be protected. You can try a neck gaiter and it will protect your neck. If you have ugly neck, cold neck, skinny neck, fat neck, sexy neck you want to protect, any kind of neck, this is great for your neck, sensitive neck round the back. And you put your...
I guess if you were like a hookah bit girl, so this could be a tube dress. How hookah bit would you have to be?
Remy's tube dress.
Oh my god!
Yes, so we have a tube dress for Remy. I mean, this is like...
Can you imagine Remy and this with all of her little fat belly and her little fat thighs? You Remy have a bottom on her, you know.
She does. But half of it is pamper. So you can check them out. That is PPSLCOJA. and that is PP's Logistics Company Limited. And you know what? I need to take a picture of Levi's in his own. He has a blue camo and he looks so cool in it. When you don't need it,
He's a handsome guy though.
he is. He just pulls it down and it stays around his neck, you know, to protect his neck. And then when he's ready to
What's
use
up with
it,
you on this move?
I think it's from Julie Mango. She's always doing this.
Oh yeah, she does it.
She does this a lot. Yeah. We're gonna draw the attention of Julie Mango over here, you know, and then she's gonna come tease us.
Oh gosh.
Jamaican YouTubers. Okay, everybody, let us go on the show. Then she's gonna go
You
into a
want more?
side screen and be like, anyway, Julie, I'm not giving you any ideas, all right? Get your neck protector. You can check them out. PPS LCOJA. I saw the comments about my soup. I'll give you some more information
He's
about
laughing
my diet. You need something for your neck?
I do. The cords in my
The neck cord? So Nana did not know that there was such a thing called a neck string. I was born with a very pronounced neck string. Tracy, you are project, yeah. So Nana goes into Fontana, right? And this is during the pandemic. And the lady comes up so close to her. I was like, I saw your neck string strong. And I was like, whoa, 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 what? What are you talking about? And the lady's like, look, by your neck string, it just turn up. What she asked if you were sick?
Yeah.
And this time Nana is like, my neck, what? What is wrong with my neck? What string? So, you know, Nana found out that it was the neck cord, really pronounced. You know, Nana was very upset about it.
I know, mommy keeps talking about, if I had plastic surgery, I'd redo over my neck. I'm like, wait, nothing is wrong with your neck. She's like, the strings. I'm like, okay, because I'm 36 and I'm pretty sure me and Nana have the same looking
Yeah,
neck.
I have neck strings too, but I'd rather say neck string than like folds and fat. You know what I mean? However, if you don't like your neck strings, you can always get a neck gaiter to hide your neck string. Nana, would you like a neck gaiter? They come in different colors, different patterns for your neck string. No? No problem. So ladies and gentlemen, if you don't like your neck string, you can just get a neck gaiter and cover your neck string and keep them
What
cold
else
and
does PP have
protected.
in the store of his?
PP have whole heap of things, man. Me say cup, me say ball, me say water bottle, me say... What is it that he does? It is a logistics company. We make it happen. Importing and distributing low-cost promotional items, executive logo gifts, and personal protective equipment. We source and suggest. So that would mean then if I have a company and what if I wanted to buy like a whole heap of mugs for everybody? So he would be like, oh, here's where you can get the mugs from for cheap. And then I guess he would put my logo on it. Yeah. All kind of things. Watch all of them in them neck gaiter.
Locks, my little girl is so precious. You want to see her? Sorry.
No problem. Masks, t-shirt, shopping bag.
Oh, gloves.
What kind of... Oh, workout
Oh,
gloves.
that's a cute hat.
Bands, workout wheel, workout ball, AirPod, exercise to induce labor, natural, on the ball. Yeah, man, whole heap of things. People are going with something over there.
PP's so funny.
He's very funny.
I love him.
And him love a neck gaiter because he likes to protect his neck.
Yes, he does. He always wears scarves.
Yeah,
You notice that?
he likes to protect his neck. It's also...
No, look at the breasts.
They're even now?
Yes, but there's no more milk. They're not even...
They're empty.
I know.
They're empty.
Anyway.
Okay, guys. So, I keep breaking out for this video. Can I just talk about my Friday video?
What?
Because I saw a couple people asking me for some soup recipes, and it's the soup
I
is
just find you haven't stopped talking.
really because I find you are talking a lot about your breasts. But go ahead.
It's not like I've had them for very long, so I would like
Okay.
to talk about them while they're here, because when they're gone, I won't be able to talk about. I'll be like, my slippers hang down to the ground, and like my nipples point south, you know. I want to talk about my good breasts, enjoying them.
Whew. Whew. Whew.
Alright, what's happening on Friday? Tell me what's
Okay, so on
happening.
Friday I'm going to be dropping over on my YouTube a video with my diet results. I'm sure you can see things have gone on really good for me. And what it is you're not going to starve yourself. You're going to keep your metabolism going at a good rate so you can lose weight naturally. It's almost like a keto diet, but she controls what you eat, meaning that she gives you your breakfast, your snack, and your lunch. Today for lunch,
The
I'm having
breakfast cereals taste so good.
the breakfast. I actually am off the diet now, but I've asked for more oatmeal just because it's the quickest,
I like the
easiest
other
taste thing
cereal
to
that
go.
look like honey bunches of oats.
Oh yes, I saw
I love
crunchy
that
cinnamon cereal.
How was the pasta?
The pasta wasn't bad enough, but again, you need to beef it up with your vegetables so you feel like you're eating a lot. So that video will drop on Friday. You can get some soup. It's just a little soup in a packet, and it has all the protein that I need in here.
It tastes like the Lipton cup of soup.
Yes, but this is no sugar, no carbs. So you know, I'm not putting any extra fats into my body. I'm not eating any carbohydrates because those things burn down for my body to burn the fat.
Thank you,
so
Italiano.
I'm not putting in any extra things. So therefore, my body's just burning the fat that I already have. So I'm a fat burning machine.
Yeah, girl.
Yeah, watch
Yeah,
it.
girl.
You saw that? You saw
Watch
that? Fat just left.
Woo!
Yeah. Watch it again. Watch it again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, careful. Right, more again.
Send it over here.
Oh, sorry.
It's going over there.
Go! One more. The fat is gone. Well, not all of it. Not all of it. You know. I wish I could.
Right places.
You know what? I wish I could do. Like seriously, I wish I could be like, okay, here's like half an ounce of fat, and just put it on places that need to be a little bit fatter. You know, like, yeah. I want that when I put on a swimsuit. You know, I look meaty. Mommy, can open the gate for Alicia, please? She's here. She's gonna do some measuring of the waterfall. Or shout Gracie. Gracie knows she's coming. She just sent a message. She didn't know what button to press. You know? I think that'd be great.
That would be nice. I used to wish that okay, question to everybody out there, right? Oh, thank you. Everybody says they love my hair. Thank you. I washed it today. Anyway, question for everybody out there. You have 3 wishes, okay?
And you can't wish for more wishes.
You cannot wish for more wishes. And
okay.
world peace is off the table.
Okay.
Okay?
Because you know that would have been my first thing. Because I want to see everybody happy and striving.
Yes, okay. So you have 3 wishes. Write your 3 wishes in the comments below what your 3 wishes are going to be. And you know what? I've thought about this all of my life.
Really?
Every day I think about my 3 wishes.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh.
And they haven't changed for a long time.
Definitely one of my wishes would be vanity. Like a vanity wish. So it would be something with
We know, Joe. I don't think anybody.
Okay, maybe 2 wishes.
Yeah,
maybe
I think
2
all
wishes.
3. I think all 3.
No.
What's the 3rd? Good health?
That would be in vanity. Because I wouldn't want to like have a bomb body and then me dead. Wow, look at her in her casket. She looks amazing. Damn. BBL turn up. You saw that bitch lying down there? She looking good. So if I want like, you know, I'd have to have like, you know.
Somebody says health. Maintain a good metabolism no matter my age. Financial freedom. Girl,
Ooh,
that
that's
is
a
one
good
of my
one.
wishes too. Rich, good health, forever not gaining weight. Perfect health.
Perfect body. I read that one.
Health and happiness. Forever
Own house,
shiny,
health,
own house,
no debt.
health, no debt.
Okay.
Jesus, let me write
That's a
something
good
on
one.
this.
I'm sorry, because you're going to meet with the genie later. Why do you need to write this down?
No, I want to write down a point that Shawnee brought up that I want to talk about.
Oh. Happy, wealth, beautiful.
Yeah.
That's all. Happy, wealth.
Girl,
Me
you
too.
are beautiful. Don't waste a wish. You're
But
beautiful already.
yes, you're beautiful already, but there's nothing for wanting more beauty. Yeah. Even Kim Kardashian was beautiful, well, in a Jafar kind of way, and now she's even more beautiful.
Living to my potential, says Lady B Cubed.
Perfect hair? There's no such thing as perfect hair. Stop that foolishness. No such thing. You need to read Cecile's book. There's no
I
such
think
thing as
Sarah
perfect.
Cummings has perfect hair.
I'd rather you say has lovely hair. There's no such thing as perfect hair, because next thing you know, you get Sarah Cummings hair on your head and you look like, you know that dog from like the
Oh
Muppets?
my gosh, yes.
Exactly. So, you know,
Yes.
there's no such thing as perfect hair. So,
True. You get the hair that suits you.
yeah, and the hair that you can manage and that you feel good with. You know, we're going to appreciate our hair. Sometimes you want to tear it out of your head. Sometimes you wish it came down just a little inch further.
What's that?
Like-
What's that? Oh, financial freedom, good health, and happiness. Okay. You know
I mean,
what?
I
You
just
guys
find
need
if I
to
looked-
watch Moana, because you can find happiness right where you are, by the way. So somebody gifted Stevie when
Disney Plus?
Disney Plus, by the way. I have.
Is it Claudine?
No.
Oh,
It was Saucy.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys are so sweet.
Yeah. She gifted Stevie Disney Plus. I have never been more excited about Disney Plus in my whole entire life. So I've watched more.
Are you about to cry?
No.
Oh.
I'm laughing at myself because I've watched Moana like every day. Since I got Disney Plus.
I've been watching Luca actually.
I started watching it last night.
I think that I would rather Levi watch Disney Plus over YouTube, and I think that when Santa brings him his new iPad for Christmas, I think I'm not gonna install YouTube on his iPad.
I agree, my girl, because that show that he watches really disturbed me that time I watched it. Like the next day, I messaged Jodi and I'm like, here are some shows Levi I can watch. He was watching this one show. And
It's
so
about a
disturbing.
family, a US family that live, actually no, they live in Canada. And there's 3 kids, and one of the boy is a little older. The boy is about, or maybe he's older than that. But one of the things I don't like is the dad comes on, he's got drip check, and then they put so much emphasis on what the kids are wearing. Oh, you got that Dior. Oh,
Yeah, and then in the house, he's like, look at my house, and like showing off the house and the bigness. And I'm like, dude, we live in, like, one of the things that I was talking about yesterday was, with my friend who came over to visit me and help me dry my tears, was that she was saying, oh, her son is 12 now, and you know, him getting lippy. So she's jokingly in jest, she said, I want to send him off to boarding school. And I'm like, yo, do send him off to boarding school. Like, I went to boarding school, and it was such a reality check for me, in the sense that we don't know how hard our parents are working to provide what we have, and we take it all for granted, and we keep expecting more from them, more from our parents, you know. And when I went to Ridley, I came home that summer, and I went to Ridley with some really heavy hitters. Like, the people that go to Ridley, like, they had a lot of money, you know. Like, I went with John Chrétien's grandson, with, like, some really heavy
They're so rich, their names have extra letters.
I know. So when I came, and I kept on saying, oh, I want to go on the ski trip, I want to go on the Bahamas trip, I want to go, and Mommy would be like, Tracy, we don't have this money to send you on all these trips. Like, go to your Auntie Julie's house and play in the snow. Like, we just didn't have the money.
Sit this one out, this holiday. Every mate Tracy like, well, so and so and so and so are going skiing. Mom's like, ski.
Mommy's like, you did that last month, you know. So anyway, I would cuss and be like, you're so mean, and da-da-da. And I came home one of the vacations, and I looked around at the house, and I said to Mommy, why don't we have some of this in the house? And Mommy was like, Tracy, do you know how much money the family has sacrificed to send you to school so that you could be getting a good education? We have all had to sacrifice what we have here because you want Lucky Charms, and I've bought the generic version. I was mad that she like bought the generic version of some cereal, I swear to you. And she's like, we've all sacrificed. And I was like, wow. And I think that for people in third worlds, going back to the YouTube channel, like, we need to understand that our parents do a lot for us, and what we have is to be definitely celebrated, no matter how much you have or how little you have. What
your
you
parents
do
have worked so hard for that,
and what you do have is to be celebrated. And I don't appreciate, coming from my little third world country, people who are like, look at what I have, and showing off. Like, I'm happy for you with whatever you have, but I don't think it's good to teach my children to
drip check.
You
know, and the 9-year-old, oh, you got that Dior, all the Dior shoes, you got the Dior socks.
Like,
you know, and they go on vacation, and then the first shot you see is of the wife walking, and I'm happy for them, you know, and the wife look good, because over the years you can see where, you know.
But you have to understand that.
Zoom in on the shoes, oh, got them Versace slides.
And I'm really happy you have the Versace slides, but I don't want you to make me feel inferior because I don't have a Versace slides. And no matter if you do have a pair of Versace slides, you should never make anybody feel inferior for what they do or do not have. Like, you need to be happy for people in what they have, and you need to realize that's not what I have, and that's okay. My happy handles work just as fine. They slide on real good.
They slide on, them slides slide real good. But I just fear that Levi will come to me one day and be like, oh, I need this Christian Dior outfit. And I'm like, no. No.
N?
No.
To the whole man.
And no.
Little man?
No. most of Levi's, alright, tell me if I'm lying, 90% of Levi's brand name clothes are hand-me-downs.
003, get a fabulous behavior. Exactly, that's what I wanted. That is exactly
But you know what, in all honesty, if you came from a humble upbringing and then you got all of this YouTube money, guys, make sure you subscribe, drop a like, and you came into all of this YouTube money, because it potentially could be a lot of money, especially with
But
the
nothing's
comments
wrong
and the
with
likes
it.
that they're
But
getting.
it's when you
Wouldn't you buy all of those
for
things
sure,
too?
for sure.
You know? What happened to Stevie?
Nothing, she's fine. The lady is here for the cupboard. Shauna's left. She needs to ask a question. Do you know about it? What he wants in there?
The Oceana's left?
Yeah, he had an appointment.
Oh.
Do I have his phone?
He
Oh,
see-
you can call him. He called me.
Okay. They need to humble themselves.
Yeah.
Funny,
and you
it's
know-
not the reality or the world today. True. You know, and it's what Trace is saying, we are developing nation, not a third world country, we're a developing nation. What I don't appreciate is when we compare ourselves to America. You know, when we step on our red carpets here or go to our events, and you know, when I'm asked what am I wearing, I will only say what I'm, oh, no, that's not true, because sometimes I show off. Sometimes,
No, girl, you must appreciate
but
what you
I will definitely say if I have on a local brand or a local something another. But why would I step these Christian Dior? It's not available here. So why are you asking me what I'm wearing? I'm wearing Cucianas, yo. I'm gonna tell you, I'm in flirt.
No,
I mean,
do you remember when they asked me that when I went to dinner in Blanca? They're like, "What are you wearing?" And I was like,
My sister-
a top I bought at Clock Tower Plaza, my sister's skirt."
and they were like, we can't put that. We
I'm
can't
like,
put
oh,
that. I
yes,
was like, you
we can.
better put that. You better put that. That's where she gets it from. We was going to turn around and be like, oh, this top is Fendi. And the skirt is, or the time when, you know, the observer love my handbag, you know, them love my handbag. And they asked me where I got it from. And I was like, York Plaza. The handbag get one feature in the observer. York Plaza. I just feel like, you know, we need to stop comparing ourselves to the overseas celebrities, the overseas persons
And
who
what
have
they
these
can
things
afford.
and what they can afford and what is accessible to
But
them.
you know what I'm really annoyed about now that we talk about overseas accessibility? Like, I'm really annoyed that I ordered something off of Amazon and what came was not what was pictured. Like, I ordered a white flowy top that buttoned down the middle because you're breastfeeding, so you have to like have things that either pull down or button. What do you mean? It's got twist up. Anyway, what came was like a pink peasant top. You know those peasant tops with like the fluffy arms?
Maybe that's mine. I ordered a pink peasant top.
Oh, I gave it away already.
What?
sorry.
Was it nice?
Mm.
No? Okay. These damn China sellers, they take the pictures from other sites, right? Like they get a nice thing from Posh by V.
I saw Janelle Jolly on one of the sites on Instagram that
Yeah.
come up that show that feature.
And it-
Janelle Jolly is Jamaican designer. You can search her on Instagram, JJolly, JAEJOLLY. Such nice resort wear. So anyway, I was scrolling through Instagram and this like Chinese store popped up. Like, you know, they have all of these Chinese stores that pop up, and featured was Janelle Jolly's stuff, but they cut off the head of the models.
Yo, them stores, them
So
cute.
I had to message Janelle and be like, my girl, you reached China. She said that
You have to look at the reviews. Thank you very much. Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, before we get caught up in, watch me with my Julie Mango hands. You see, I watched too much
Oh
of
my
her.
gosh, so I ordered from Julie Mango restaurant the other day.
You did?
Yeah, I ordered their can't bother eat food.
Oh, yes.
It was $6,000.
You got a lot of food. It tastes good.
Jesus.
They recently moved.
Yeah, they moved on to Mayfair Hotel. No, I got the basil chicken with the Thai. It was so much food.
Really?
Like Scott was like,
We featured them before on the show.
Yeah.
And they have what you call it? Just enough.
can't bother cook.
Can't bother cook, so they'll send like a meal for two, and it includes like your
Appetizer,
appetizer, your main, and your dessert. Woo.
It was a lot of food though. Scott even ate again the next day.
Scott ate again.
Yeah. So we both had dinner on
Okay.
that night, and Scott ate again the next day.
If Scott can eat seconds, you know, says enough you get
yeah.
in. Lord,
Yeah.
I said Saturday when I have to cook lunch for Scott, is like, pass the rice, pass the flour, I'm have to try fill up this man.
Yeah.
Anyway, everybody, please come and join me on Friday at 3 o'clock at EC Makeup Bar. That's upstairs in New Kingston Shopping Center. We are going to be sipping, we are going to be shopping. They're going to have up to 50% off in store.
What?
They're going to have a DJ. They have some new products in. So you know, you got your Fenty, you got your NARS, you got your Huda, all of those things. What else? New stock. Meet and greet with moi.
Wait, where is this?
EC Makeup Bar in the newly refurbished New Kingston Shopping Center upstairs.
Oh my gosh, I went to New Kingston Shopping Center.
It's so nice. They haven't really finished it yet. They're still working on the parking. But
so when is this?
this is on Friday at 3 o'clock. So come on out. So my YouTube video is going to be delayed a little bit. It's gonna come. My YouTube video is gonna come out at 6 o'clock. Just because I'm gonna be there at EC Makeup Bar, you know, helping out people shop and buy their makeup. Look at my hands again. What is with this? What is going on?
You think Scott will let me and Stevie out the house?
He better, you know, just be like, hey Scott, do you mind if I go and sip and shop? So come and sip and shop with me, guys. By Friday, this hand thing will be gone. You know, we're gonna have a DJ. We're gonna
want a highlighter.
I need a bronzer. I need a eye pate. What's the thing called? They stick on the makeup. Primer. Eye primer. And I need an eyeliner.
I like that highlighter that you gave me today. They have it there?
No, but they have highlighters like that. And I want you to know most of the products I used today for my makeup were from EC Makeup Bar. I used my Fenty Primer, which works very well with the Huda foundation that you can get at EC Makeup Bar.
Do you like the Fenty stuff now? I love the Fenty stuff.
I like the Fenty primer. The foundation, you know what? I need to give the foundation another chance with the primer.
What did you use under your eyes? It looks so matte.
So under my eyes, I have the primer from Fenty, and then I used just a MAC concealer. But on my eye top here, I have a Maybelline palette that's also available at EC Makeup Bar.
I've been
It's
looking
Maybelline.
at it. Let me see which palette is that. Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
Maybe it's Maybelline. So I just want to show
The
off my Grace Noir.
This is the City Mini palette that she used today. Oh.
Okay, we may have a special guest next week.
I didn't want to say anything.
But I have to practice before she gets here.
I didn't want to say anything, but yes.
I have to practice before she gets here. I have to practice before she gets here because I don't want my special guest to come on next week and we can't go down there. So
hold on.
here are the hands again.
How much is this?
I'm not sure, you know, because I actually had that from before. Well, that I bought elsewhere, but they have that same. Oh, look at my niecey. So it'll be cheaper at EC Makeup Bar.
This is such a nice palette. I'm gonna get this one, the City Mini palette, and show them your makeup.
So I use.
Nice.
So when you see the palette, you know what to do with the colors. So I just graded the colors from the darkest to the lightest. So I'll be there at EC Makeup Bar. Yeah. They have setting sprays, because one of the questions I got asked a lot was, oh well, I can't bother wear my makeup because the mask is gonna take it off. Guys,
did you guys see there? Oh. You see her? She's
aww. They have makeup setting spray. They have this exact one, and they have
that's like the best setting spray ever.
They have another setting spray. I can't remember the brand, but it was way cheaper. So they have something for everybody. If you want something high end, you have something in mind from a particular foreign brand, they have those. If you want something but you're not ready to spend $6,000, $5,000,
do you know
they
what?
have something for you.
The best gift I got for Christmas, I want to say ever, but I know that's an exaggeration, but ever, was from Marla Morrison, and she gave me a makeup palette. And I use it every day since she's given it to me. Every single day I use that makeup palette. It's fabulous.
They're going to be giving free makeup and skin consultations.
Yeah.
So if you're like, I don't know how to do my eyes, I don't know how to, you know, the ladies, all of them in there, boy, I have to dress up on Friday, you know, come, I can't make them show me up, you know. When I went in there the other day, geez, some piece, all of the girls, act like, you know, whew. So they'll tell you, they're like, okay, let's start on a basic little hand movement, and then it's just going to go overboard, you know. Skin consultations, because not only do they have makeup, but they have like skincare products, different skincare lines. So guys, come out on Friday and come check me at 3 o'clock. And you know what? Should I give away 2 of those water bottles? I have more of those. I love these stupid water bottles so fucking much. I'm gonna walk with 2 water
That's
bottles.
all the water you drink?
No,
Just that?
Because I'm drinking my soup. You want me to get colic?
But it's only that holds in there?
No, it holds 16 ounces, but I refill it.
Oh, it's 16 ounces.
So I'm gonna have some bottles to give away on Friday up at EC Makeup Bar. Guys, come check me. Come check me. Okay, really and truly, anybody who can dance, can you please come on Friday and show me how to go down there, because me not flap myself next week Tuesday. Okay, please, I'm asking you. All right, if you could get TC, you know. What is this? What is this? Why do I keep doing this? Her hair is so dark. If you could get
Just like
TC,
yours.
Rebel, or Pretty to come and show me, you know, beginners
I don't even
style.
know who
Look at
these
me again.
people are.
Look at me again. What is this? What am I doing?
I don't even know who these people are.
You don't watch Dancehall Life.
Oh yes, you told me that.
Can I get her?
Can you remind me to watch
It's on
Dancehall Live?
YouTube.
Yeah, but I want to watch it. Like, it'd be cool. Scott and I have to watch it tonight. Oh my gosh, we were watching The Bachelorette last night. Who has been watching The Bachelorette? Because like, I'm so disappointed in this season. Katie, I thought she was going to be so much fun, has turned out to be a true saps. All of the guys, well, they're definitely not my type. Not one of those guys are my type. Not one.
Watch your heart, I go up for you, Stevie. Watch there, watch heart, watch heart. My gosh. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Stop stress out, money. She won't sleep. Never mind, my baby. Never mind.
I know.
Stop touching her. She's trying to snooze.
She's awake.
Oh, she is?
She can be awake if she wants to. She has to be awake at some point in the day. I'm about to force to sleep on her in the night time.
Alright. Alright.
Where's your au pair? Where Nana gone?
Oh, she's probably taking a break. You know this, you know the foreign help, they're always on a break.
I think she might be hungry still, you know.
She looks so adorable in purple. You want me to get the
Doesn't
napkin?
she?
Let me get the napkin.
I mean, lilac is just her color though. You know it is so weird? I put her in yellow and she looks good too.
When is she gonna wear her little onesie that I bought her? It says Auntie's Girl.
She wore Auntie's Girl already. I took a
The
picture.
gold one?
Yes.
She's to wear it again.
And then I put her in the pink one, but the pink
Look
one
at her.
is too
Look at her. Look at her.
Hi my baby.
Show the camera.
Hi my baby.
We got low battery going on here.
Oh gosh, I love her, you see. I love her, I love her, I love her. Oh,
I would hope so.
oh Lord.
Oh, hi baby. You're looking at it.
Such a blessing. Such a blessing. You are a
Wow,
blessing.
you need a pedicure.
I told you.
Jeez, you.
And look at the
Lord.
hands and she needs a manicure.
Manicure. Jeez, you. Auntie gonna fix you up right now, okay? But I don't want to do it on camera in case I accidentally cut off your toe. Everybody's gonna cuss me.
Lord, let me tell you something. When you're holding your baby and you're just rocking her and you're just feeling that feeling. Are you feeling the feeling, baby?
Are you feeling the feeling, baby?
Are you
Getting the rhythm, baby? Are you getting the symptoms?
Oh,
Ooh,
honey.
Lord man,
I cannot believe Miami Carnival is going to be turning up without me.
me too, you know why? So I went to my husband, my nice, dear, loving husband, who him love me so much.
She does love you so much.
No, said that I don't get a little outing with the new breast them. And I was like,
You
know,
haven't?
No, I have not done anything with my new boobs. So you know, my first...
Imagine Miami Carnival and my boobs too. We have not gotten outing with our new boobs.
So I was like, you know, Sean, the place opening back up. Miami Carnival is keeping, and I may do a little work for them. So I'm thinking of going to Miami Carnival. Do you know what my husband said to me without hesitation? And I watched this him now. If you go, don't come back.
But I'm so glad he said that, because I really was getting upset. I don't get jealous very often. It's a feeling that I don't really have. But when you said you were going to Miami Carnival, I was like, Livid.
And I think too, I kind of need like
Do you
a...
remember that year that Levi was born and it was around carnival time and I was going to leave Canada and go carnival and come back?
And I told you no. Trace was making all of these plans because Levi is my carnival baby. He's had around carnival time. And Trace's like, oh, I think I'm gonna leave Canada for a bit and just go. See this, there it is again. And I'm gonna go to Trinidad and come right back. And I was like, don't you dare. Don't you dare. That's my thing. Trinidad is my thing.
I just don't understand it. It's like so many people go to Trinidad.
No,
It can't just be yours.
don't let me call the airport and be like, she's taking a bomb. I will call them and say that. Don't even. I don't know if you can hear this over here. Cheese on peas. She loves so milky. So, anyway, I will just keep myself quiet because anyhow, Sean did let me go in a Miami Carnival. Jeez on peas. I think this would have been a lot of clothes. This neck protector would have been like, if I had this on for Miami Carnival, they'd be like, Jodi is going to a winter party. Well,
I know. When do you think Trinidad Carnival is going to come back?
you know, I see some Trini flags here, and to be honest with you, with what I'm hearing,
Eat up, eat up.
I don't think till 2024.
Eat up, eat up, eat up.
Very cool. What does G's and Peace mean? Like, I guess like a lower grade. Like when they say Jesus Christ, that's a bad word. G's and Peace. G's are like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, oh
G's
my
and Peace.
gosh.
Yeah, G's and Peace means oh my gosh.
And I also say Rasta George.
Mm-hmm.
That's like a.
Yeah, those were the bad words. There it is again. Those were the bad words that we were allowed to say growing up.
Mm-hmm.
Bad words. G's-um,
Rasta George.
yeah, like what is that? You know?
And we're not allowed to say oh my God either.
No, we're not allowed
Oh
to
my goodness.
Oh my goodness. We couldn't, if you say Jesus Christ, that's worse than saying like the F-bomb.
Mixed in with the B-bomb.
Mm-hmm. May as well you just go bite the bar of soap, you're gonna get in a whole heap of trouble. Like, just know.
Well, you ate carbolic as a child.
Yeah, well I had a choice between that and the blue bomber. Mommy used to make me eat soap.
Yeah. I did something bad one time.
Say the real reason why you were eating the soap, to clean out your mouth.
To clean out my mouth.
Because you had a dirty mouth.
Well, one time I had a dirty mouth, but she only made me eat a Pears bar, which wasn't so bad.
Pears bar is not bad. That's like the gluten of all, the gluten-free soap.
Yes,
I've had Blue Bomber, I've had Protex,
But that's
I've
'cause
had Carbolic. Blue Bomber was actually the nicest of the three.
How did you even wrap your mouth around?
Boy, Mommy jammed that Blue Bomber in there. Don't you dare say those are wrong with the soap.
It wasn't a whole bar.
I'm sorry, because did you shave it over pasta?
It was used. She says it was
used.
the whole bar.
Oh, so it was a dirty Blue Bomber when it scrape and wash. That is dirty drawers. That them should be in my mouth because I said the F-bomb.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Jodi was such a bad picnic. Oh my goodness.
I was not bad. I was challenging. See, Mommy, what's happening with me today? What's this? I keep doing this. What is this? What happened to me? I can't talk without the shoulders. Like, what's going on? Does it look stupid?
It looks kind of cool, actually. I like
Oh, really?
it. Yeah.
Okay, it's my new thing.
I like it.
No. No.
Sorry, I know I added mouth a while ago.
Yeah.
I added sorry.
So you can only do shoulders and neck. You started
Okay.
the neck, now you can't do mouth, or else you're going like into a whole different direction.
Okay, cool.
So calm down with it.
All right, cool, no problem.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, because all right, cool.
Can you guys hear her? She's like fully. Hold on. And she's taking a break now.
Oh,
She's so sweet.
she's so sweet. Whoa. You know when like the horses bray?
Donkey's bray. horses
Donkey's
bray.
Can you guys hear her? She's sipping so hard. Oh gosh. Wait, imagine her at an all-inclusive with this kind of behavior.
Oh, dear Lord. I should eat everything. She going to want to pack up things and take home.
Stevie going to the all-inclusive with her Tupperware.
Oh
Can
my
you
God.
imagine Stevie and Remy at a party together?
No. That is trouble.
And Levi driving them home? Oh my gosh. With Jake and Sarah in the back.
Guys, don't worry. I see some comments about Digicel. You can always catch the repeat over on our YouTube channel. The link is in my bio and it's in high definition. You can't see so much of the hand action, so you're welcome. Did you sell again? Did you sell mash up the connection? Well, we see it fine.
Yeah.
I don't even want to go back on the Wi-Fi. I'm not even going to test it. I'm not even going to test it. Did you sell?
I know. It's rough.
Yeah.
It's rough stuff. It's rough stuff. Anyway, so what else is going on now?
Not a thing.
No?
Somebody says they want to see your neck strings.
Mama's like, she's not going to show you. She feels sad about them.
She feels sad about them. She's not
like
conscious
this.
of her neck string. But the thing is that if you have neck string, that means you have a slim neck.
I know. My upper body is so skinny. Like, all throughout pregnancy, my bones were showing in my chest. You want to see my thigh them? Boy, the way them are rubbed together, I'm serious. The Smokey the Bear going to come talk about forest fire. She's,
Wow.
Yeah.
Somebody's asking if she has colic.
Yeah.
No, I thought you were going to say no.
What do you mean?
Oh, she crying.
Yeah, she have colic.
Has Levi said a cuss word yet? Yes, he did. He dropped a cuss word. The first time he was kind of testing me, and then I had to say to him, I was like, Levi, that's a bad word, and we don't say that word. It's not for your age group. You're allowed to say one bad word, and that's heck. He's allowed to say, what the heck? And I said, that's it. That's all you're allowed to say. But he tried to drop the F-bomb one time. And it's kind of hard because he loves to watch daddy's videos. Like, they will sit down in the night, and I feel like it's brainwashing. But he'll be like, oh, my favorite song. Who's Rebecca?
So, what is the video he was telling me about yesterday? Is his favorite, the fire one? Oh, gosh, it's so cute. Levi called me yesterday to ask for Stevie. Where's Stevie? What's she doing? I was like, hi, Levi.
He likes the video Pool Party because he's in that video.
Oh, right.
Here, Levi, now. Wow, what's a lot of booty. And I was like, so I had to say, I was like, Levi, it's very hard for me because I want him to see his dad's music. I want him to enjoy his dad's music. But there are themes and words that are not appropriate for his age group. So I have to say to him, Levi, booty is not really a good word for you to use. If you use that at school, you'll get in trouble. So he'll be like, okay, mommy. And I have to say to him, I'm like, you know, sometimes daddy's videos, those things aren't really for you to see. You know, it's kind of, that's a lot of bottom. And he'll laugh. And I'm like, just don't say that word at school, please. Like, just know that that's a word that when you're watching your videos, you can sing along, but it's not for outside the home. It's really hard, like, and there's no manual for me to use.
No, and you know, you're lucky that Levi is very he's smart. Like, his cognitive development is very
His
far
comprehension,
gone.
yeah.
His comprehension is great.
Hear him to me, so let me explain to you. I said, what is? He wanted to explain something to me this morning. I'm like, what? Levi is graduating on Thursday. Yeah.
Can't believe he's leaving the good old block.
So I feel very emotional about it. I have not written up. I have my card here to write up to the school, and
Silent girl.
yeah. I'm just glad Remy is still there, and boy,
Remy is so sweet though.
ooh.
Oh, by the cabana is here. Hey.
Oh, that was the dress I was supposed to take out. You know, I well fold it up, hang it up, and steam it out.
Oh my gosh, I love my by the cabana gear though. I love it.
Maybe I'll wear it tomorrow for Napjack dinner.
I wore my by the cabana. All of mine is in the wash. Everything.
Play white noises for Stevie. It helps with colic. I have a white noise machine if you want to know.
I have. I will. Actually, I do have a little owl that plays white noises. It helps with colic.
No, we're going to Remy will be still going to preschool. I'll have to come up with a new song for Levi going to prep school, and Levi will be attending his dad's alma mater. That wasn't a question. Sean was like, nope, going to my alma mater. So
I know we haven't decided for Stevie. We have time.
you have time.
We have time.
Okay, alright guys, remember, head on over to our YouTube channel where you can catch us guys over here on YouTube. Welcome, thank you, we love you, we appreciate you. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers.
Hey.
So we're asking you to make sure you're subscribed. If you are enjoying this content, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. And of course, always make sure you give me a like. And if you really hate this hand movement, make sure you put a thumb down in the comment section, like, you know, the fist. Put a thumb in the comment section. And if you really hate it, you can come to EC Makeup Bar and give me one big thump on my big bottom Friday at 3 o'clock at EC Makeup Bar in the New Kingston Shopping Center upstairs.
Yeah.
50% off store-wide up to.
My hair looks good today. You know whose hair I always look at?
Sarah Cummings.
No, for Bucana, Jordana.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Her hair got really long. I think we have the same kind of curls, she and I.
Nana, can you come and say hi, please? What flag is that? Belize?
Oh,
Joycey, what?
My
Yeah.
mum lived in Belize.
You have to come in the middle.
Yeah.
What were you looking at?
Hi guys.
Hi.
See my next string?
So why you have to give a deep voice?
This is so horrible. And I never noticed until the lady pointed it out. Lad. Hey Stevie. Oh.
Mommy, what's this flag here? Is this Curacao? This blue flag?
Forever Shawnee. What is that flag?
That's the second time I'm seeing it. Right, like, there's Guyana. We'll go to Guyana. The girls in Guyana, man, they're nice. I sound like one of them big belly man. Girls in Guyana, they nice.
So is it garlic pork?
Yeah? Oh yes, we've had Guyanese garlic pork. Yeah, guys.
We went to Guyanese Thanksgiving.
Oh yes. Oh.
Okay, you can't want more, booby.
Oh yes, she can.
This monster?
Belize. I had it right. Belize. Nana's mommy is from lived in Belize. Lived in Belize for quite some time. And oh God, Trinidad, I can't leave on out, man. I can't leave on out. What happened to you, man?
I know.
Your borders soon open. As your borders open, I come in for some doubles. I can't live without the doubles.
I want to go to movie town and walk around.
I just want to go in Trinidad and just hear to my hey. Red as red y'all. You know? I'm like, yes, who's calling me? Yes, I'll be red today, no problem.
I know. I love when they call me Miss Chin. I'm like,
They call you Miss Chin in Jamaica. Over in Trinidad, he's a red y'all. You think you're nice? Are you red? It's like, I just have any carnival. And of course, Jamaica, of course. This has to stop. God no, this has to stop. I saw a couple of thumps in the comments already. I agree.
Shanique Honey Skin, I couldn't read that properly. Do I give her the pacifier? Yeah. After she eats and stuff, like now, I'll like if she's getting cranky, I'll give her. It's in her bag. At the side, in the pacifier holder.
Wow, after 1 hour, what you call it? IG just cuts us off. No liquor warning, no liquor, no, boom, back gone. So we want to thank you guys so much for joining us. This was our Tuesdays with Tricky installment for today. Make sure you catch us next week Tuesday over on our IG at 1:30. And if not,
I never have no food today and I'm so hungry.
I had my soup.
Lord man, need to get some food items on here. Jeez.
You think people on IG are like, oh, I wonder what they're saying now. Let me go on over.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Them love us.
So come on over. Come on over, baby. Come on over, baby.
So that's a dance move to know?
It's just everything. It's gesticulation, it's dance, it's like a expression, you know, it can go slow, it can go fast, you know.
Julie Mango, come for your girl.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you on Friday with my video. And Tracy, give us a video on Monday, man.
I'll give you a video on Monday.
Good Lord, I have a big freight.
I know, sorry.
But everybody, please make sure you're subscribed. Drop a comment with a thumb if you want to see me stop doing this. And make sure you like the video. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye. Can I have that?